Good morning, Howard. How are you doing today? Doing good. Doing good. A little tired today, but doing good. I don't know why this is up. Yep, everyone's having a good day so far. Still got 20 minutes or so till market open, but it's all right. Weird. I have level 2, so that's annoying. What's the minimum size live account you would recommend? I don't necessarily see a point in doing live accounts, to be quite honest with you. With SBS, I don't know the minimum size live account. I don't run a live account with SBS. I just use prop firms because they're so scalable. And there's really no point in risking your own money these days. Prop firm account, I would go with 150K and or bigger. I use 250Ks and 150Ks. But yeah, cash account, I don't know, you'd have to look at your broker, see what the minimums are. You could use on Tradeify. Tradeify 150K, yeah. Do you have a sim funded on Tradeify? You just gotta check their rules and stuff. I think Tradeify allows bots, but they might want to see you enabling the code or something, which obviously can't happen for most people, but like if you get to a payout, I'm sure we can send you something that would allow you to get the payout. And then TopStep does allow bots. 150K account would probably be okay with TopStep. TopStep's just a little weird because they limit contracts so much. Should be fine on 150K though, I would say. You'd probably have to use regular NQ minis, which could make it a little hard, or use micros and not risk too much. Because the bot will put you into a certain amount of contracts to meet whatever your risk is, right? But if it needs 20 contracts, 20 micros to meet your risk, it won't take that trade because your top step account only allows 15, right? So that can be a little bit of a problem sometimes, but yeah, Apex, yep. Although I'm probably gonna buy myself a Tradeify 150k sim funded, because that's $7,500 a drawdown, and that's really attractive because that's a lot more set and forget. So yeah, I mean, I'm all about long-term results and trading small on a big account, you know, trading small on a big account to ensure, you know, whatever drawdown happens, I'll be okay. And I can just focus on the long term. Is it really? Where did you see that? Max drawdowns are changing. Our trailing max drawdown is changing 4 to 5%. Yeah, restrictions, penalties. Only purchases on or after January 7th. So if you buy one now, you'd still have the 7,500 though. New end of day trailing max drawdown limits. Trailing max drawdowns changing from 4% to 5%, so they're increasing it. Which, okay. Profit goals between payout requests. I mean, seems fine still. Thing is, well, yeah. I mean, it's still good though. I have Apex 250Ks, which have $6,500 a drawdown, which is also a really good amount. Yeah. And an Apex 300k account is the same as the Tradeify, but thing is, you have to hit $20,000 profit target, which, you know, can be a little bit hard sometimes. I've never even bothered with the 300Ks, to be quite honest with you. As you guys are rolling in, would appreciate some likes today. Get the ball rolling for us. Look, 5-minute NQ, SBS. Hold on. You tell me to look on here or look at the chart? What are you in? Look at this 5-minute SBS model though. Where are you in from? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And it's funny though, because ES has only moved like 10 points, while NQ's moved like 120. ES just sucks these days, to be honest. ES sucks. All right, we got about 10 minutes, 9 minutes till the market opens, so chilling until then. We are on some cheap evals in a sim account for SBS today, so because of CPI. If this keeps happening though, where we just keep uptrending like this, we're probably not going to get too many trades today. The win rate depends on the chart you use. Usually it's around 50 to 60%. But it has a 2-to-1 risk reward, so generally, of course. What do you mean, how am I managing it? Our Autotrader is 1 to 2. And you can trail or scale out at 1 to 1 and trail stop and 1 risk to 2 reward. Yeah. Morning, Peachy. How's it going? We got 4 more minutes. Did you yesterday ingrown toenail? They cut it out? Sucks? Sheesh. Must have been a bad ingrown toenail. That must have been bad. Yeah, that's good. Alrighty, 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. Alrighty. Market, 20 seconds. I'm gonna be careful today because of CPI. Alright. SBS should start being enabled to trade for us in just a second here. But again, you need structure for SBS to take a trade. So if there's no structure in the market, aka we just go straight up or straight down, then we're out of luck. So for our SBS users, we should have an update posted this afternoon. That's the goal. So yeah, that's the goal. Dex array long on L2. I changed up the settings once again, because why not? Generally, if CPI pumps, we do want to generally move down to sweep some of that liquidity. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do have more of a down trendy morning, but also it seems like we've just been going straight up, so maybe that'll continue too. I'm not sure. Do have a couple potential long entries here, but that would require about a 35 to 40 point pullback. So 6, 6, and 1. These are the L2 settings we are using today. I don't know how it'll work. I don't know. Another Dexray long. We rarely ever hit the 2 target, just because, yeah, it has to basically just go straight up. Yeah, but I thought I'd try out some other stuff because yeah, gotta do it. Got 2 ticks away. Absorption up here, 78. Good morning. Should pop through it. Get some orders here. Nice. Okay, so we tapped that. So full target there. Again, SBS needs structure, so we'll see. We have potential long here, around 87. Are we going to pull back that much? I'm not quite sure. And if we do pull back that much, I'm not sure if I'd want to be in a long. Could be the start of a downtrend. So again, weird day. I'm on cheap evals sim account because I think that's the best move. You guys obviously do what you want to do, but yeah. I did see that, yes. We got 30 people in here though. We only have 12 likes, so would appreciate some likes on the live. I think he yeah, 32 range doing pretty well. I think it's starting off a bit red this for December, which is also good to know. But watch this, 96 ish. Yep, tagged long. Again, I'm not sure about if I want to be in this long because, like I said at the start of the stream, generally when we move up this much, we're gonna need a deep retracement at some point. Is that now? I don't know. I would say this could be the start of it. Looking at the chart too, I mean, it looks like it could be the start of a retracement. Just dropped 30 points in a minute, right? Definitely could be the start, but per usual, we kind of just let it do its thing. So, but yeah, I am on cheap evals, so I don't really care what happens, right? So, but shout out C3 Computer again. He had no trades overnight, but just under $1,000 first hour of trading. He posted that at 1 a.m. So I guess he made $1,000 yesterday or this morning or something. Yeah, he explained it, but yeah, well, the reason I'm using range charts is because that's what most people use. I don't know why most people use them. You know, originally it was built around 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 30 second, 15 second, kind of like just candlestick charts. People instantly just stopped using those without even using it for, I think, more than a week. Wasn't even a week, and people stopped using them. Did I mess up my trail? Because we should be trailing by now. Oh. It's disabled. I'm just going to manage this trade then. I don't know why I did that. I'll have to look back a little. That's weird. Yeah, when I entered it disabled itself, so. Weird. Okay, we got one tick away. Come on. Don't do that to me, man. That was a beautiful entry, though. I don't know. I just did. That's what I tested the other day, so. If we could hit that first, that TP, that'd be really great. Please and thank you. Up 30 points. Okay. And there, that for some reason mine disabled, so we're up $630 from that one trade. Which is amazing. $630. I shared them a few minutes ago. If you want to rewind. I think it was about 8 minutes ago in the live stream or something. All right, so there, another entry. That time it didn't disable itself. It was weird why I did that the first time. But that first trade was beautiful, which is kind of surprising. But yeah, that worked out really well. This trade, again, if we lose this trade, our stop, we're entered around 09, so that's about a 15-point stop. So that puts us, yeah, this is exactly basically $300 of risk, which is great because that's what we're on. We're on $300 of risk per trade. So that's great. So already up 630. And if this trade were to get a full win, we'd be up like $1,200 from 2 trades. And I would shut it down. Switch to full sim. Curtis, aka Media Boy, MYM long win. So we have a trail. Our trail is kicking in. So currently have a tighter stop loss now. But yeah, look at this MYM, micro YM win. That was a beautiful entry. Are we gonna win this trade too? Full? I mean, we're already gonna win, but like, is it gonna be a full win? That would be nuts. Come on. Give it to us. Give it to us. 5 more points. You can do it. But oh my god. I was wrong about today. So we had a long entry here, and it sold here. +1. We're up $1,200. I'm switching that to sim. Let me take a picture of that, let the group know. I was wrong again, it looks like. I told everyone to be careful today, and it looks like I was wrong. You don't need to be careful, but shame on me. What? Everyone can do what they want, right? I'm glad we caught those on stream, though. Yeah, that was amazing. Discretion is the better part of valor. I just like to be careful. Those are my rules, you know. So we had, yeah, my rules are generally don't trade accounts I care about on these days. But so we had a long entry here on this little horizontal line, and that was maybe, you know, a 2-point drawdown there. Full TP right there on this leg. And then here, we also got an entry on this horizontal line, which again, this is like 2-3 points drawdown max, and another 20-30 point gain. So we were in one contract on each, and we made $1,200, which means we got 60 point gain on NQ out of the market today. 60 points on NQ. So yeah, usually CPI, FOMC, and non-farm payrolls. Those are usually the big three. And that's just off of past experience. I don't like to do it usually, so. I guarantee you, though, everyone's going to be angry at me. Guarantee you, everyone's going to be angry at me. We're also up 1150 on SBS, or L2. These are the L2 settings. We're on sim, so it's not necessarily what you'd get on an eval, because, you know, I was making good money on sim every day, switched to an eval, burned the eval instantly. So, but these are the settings right there. I've really only gotten dex ray settings though this morning, so. But yeah, those were some crazy SBS entries there. I really expected more of a pullback. I really expected more of a pullback. We are up 215 points since CPI data. So crazy with no pullback really. Our biggest pullback. You want to know something sad? So I took a long this morning, right here on an account. I won't tell you which account. Took a long like right here, and I stopped out right here. And my target was like right here. That's what's sad. Anyway, yeah, I haven't really pulled back more than, let's see, 20 points there and 28 points there. Yeah, so about 25 points is the most we've pulled back. Bitcoin is pumping as well. Currently up like 60 quintillion on Bitcoin. All right, guys, we gotta do better on the likes lately. I mean, we're really slacking on the likes, so I got you, Anu. See, this is why I always say small risk, right? Like $300 of risk per trade isn't nothing, but it's not like a crazy amount, like 500 or 600. You can still make good money, guys. $1,200 right here. Yeah, so that's the eval. 1175. Yeah, and this is also the good thing about SBS is the commissions, right? We have $9 of commissions so far, right? Like that's non-existent in this case. So great, it's great. I don't think people like watching us anymore. Are we not entertaining, or what's the deal? Another potential long about 100 points down, which is not going to happen. 16 range, looks like we don't have anything. Ninzarenko, nothing. So it just chilling. I mean, I already shut it down for the day there, so. You guys are in the Discord. Go throw a couple little fire emoji reactions on this, would you? Go throw some on all these guys, alright? It's getting lame, like people are like not as active for the Discord because it's holidays. Need to hype some people up. Why do we switch from MNQ to NQ32 range? That's because that's what I tested. I tested the NQ32 range and it showed good results, so I didn't test MNQ. That's the reason. Trading shorts. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Yep, so already up good on the day there, so. See, yeah, I had MNQ 32 before. Yeah, I don't know your questions. I usually run NQ for 16 range. And I was on MNQ for 32 for like a day, but this was a 15-second chart before. And then Ninzarenko there, but I would expect I guess. Never mind. We're just chilling now. I don't think we have any news here. Do have crude oil inventories at 10:30. There's a lot of movement. There actually is a lot of movement, but I mean, not really on ES, but NQ is moving a lot. But SBS needs structure, which means you need some waves in the market, some ups, some downs, some pullbacks. But when it just goes straight up, it's not going to give you too many entries. And the only pullbacks of the morning, which were like over here, we caught 2 longs. So and they were both after 5 minutes. So anyone running 16 range should have caught that probably, because usually I tell people wait 5 minutes. So, but yeah, we need some structure, generally speaking. So just think, SBS enters on on pullbacks, right? So if we don't pull back, it's not going to enter. But yeah, we're up 1,000 on L2 as well, so I would call that an L2 morning if I was on an actual account. If that, if I was on an eval or PA and I got those same results, I would shut it down. But Thanks, Odyssey. Yeah, it's going not too bad today. L2, I messed with. I've been messing with settings a lot. Really only got index array settings today, which they were longs, and the market is going straight up, so they weren't super hard wins. And our SBS Autotrader as well caught 2 30-point wins on NQ. So 60 points on NQ for our SBS trader, up 1200 there. And up good on L2, but we're on Sim, so I don't know how it would work out on eval, but still can't complain. We got Argenito, $13 away from a payout. Oh, geez. $13 away from payout. Curtis, long and shorts worked. Nice. We'll probably stay for 15 more minutes. If we don't get any trades in the next 15 minutes with SBS, we'll probably leave for the morning. I mean, we're already like way past our goal for the day, so yeah. Can we at least get 20 likes? Can 3 more people like it? Like the live stream, guys? 3 more, that's it. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing good today. Even in a slow December, SBS is still doing pretty good, so can't complain. I guess we can't get 3 more likes. That's okay. I won't complain. It's the last time I'll ask. Stuck at 17. Well, pretty boring so far. Well, it wasn't at the start of the day, but right now it is. I think I'm gonna call it now. I can just tell we're probably not gonna be getting a setup today. Another setup this morning, the next 10-15 minutes. So gonna call it here. Very successful morning for SBS. Even L2 on Dexray did okay. But SBS, man, 60 points we grabbed on NQ with one contract. So we did $1,200 with one contract on SBS, and we did about 1,070 on L2 with 4 contracts. So yeah, be careful the rest of the day because it's CPI day today. So take your money, walk away quick. See you tomorrow, Peachy. Everyone else, have a great day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, have a good one.